Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. It's time for another plan with me. So this one's going to be quick and easy. We're going to do Monday, March 4th through the 10th. I wanted to show you if you are in the need to get your planner done quickly, but you still want it to be decorated. You guys, I've told you about this site before, and I'll tell you, Victoria Thatcher is amazing, but here's her site. VictoriaThatcher.com, and it's quick, it's easy. I just got home. I needed to do a spread because I don't like to just have it all blank. It would just be so sad for me. So she put this one out. So poor Luke Perry passed away, and so she put this out, and I just love Luke Perry. So when I saw this, I said yes, I can easily get my spread done. So we're going to make this really quick. I went to her site, printed it out, and then I just printed it on some sticker paper. So it's going to be quick and easy here. And I always put my little sticky tabs of what I have to do that week. I actually have a really busy week. You can't tell it from here, but I was out of town, so let's go ahead, and I'm going to just, rather than making it a full memorial, I'm going to do the, just do Beverly Hills 90210, because I was a total 90210 person back in the day. Now, I'm being really quick just because of time. But you could cut it out with a paper trimmer, or look at how perfectly that fits. Wow. Or a rotary trimmer. There we go. And then for some of the things that I'm just not going to use, I would cut right above it, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use that one or not, so I'm not going to cut right above it. But I definitely want to use this little guy here just to keep track. And so I will be using this in such a way, like I said, this is going to be really quick, so I haven't thought out too much. But I definitely know that I need a tracker this week, so this would be perfect. And then I'm just going to kind of sit along the side here, where I'll put it up here because I was traveling, and I know that I'm not going to be needing this space at all. And then this is one of the hardest parts right here. You guys, my voice is still going in and out. I was with a bunch of sick people this week. Can you believe my voice sounded probably the worst out of everybody's? But I was the one who wasn't sick, and I'm still not sick. So I'll take the voice any day, I guess. So I'm just going to straighten this guy out right here. And just put it right there. And then I am going to put this one right here. This is actually the picture I chose for my Instagram. There's this one right here, so I will put this. That's so funny that I just happened to choose this picture out of all the pictures on, I'll leave that, on the internet. So tell me in the comments if you, like me, had a crush on Dylan back in the day. And then later, I had another crush on him when he was in the movie 8 Seconds. Oh my goodness. Talk about a glutton for punishment. He didn't even play a good guy. So this is the part that I do not like about this. Is when I'm in a rush. I had it. There we go. So you can print it out on regular paper and use just some like a glue stick. That'll work as well. I'm just going to use a couple of these. And I think what I'm going to do is learn from my own mistakes and find out. Oh, I did not learn from my mistakes. I was going to say just take the whole sticker part off just because I am in a bit of a rush, and we'll show you how this works out. Oh goodness, sorry guys, this is going to take me a while. Once I get it off though, we'll be good to go. So, yeah, just let me know, like I said, in the comments, because I know some of you guys have commented on my Instagram telling me that he was your first crush, and oh my goodness. He played such a good guy for being a kid back in those days. Alright, I don't know what's going on here. I need my tool, don't I? I wonder if that tool would work. Alright, so I'm just going to pull the whole paper backing off and then start cutting around the ones that I want. So I think that'll be quicker and easier for me. Oh, and then there's Tori Spelling too. Did you guys watch The Masked Singer? Was I the only one who watched it? I don't think so. I think a lot of people watched it. So I love the colors too. I think I'm just going to use these 3 right here. It's very bright and rainbowy. So I just want to show you, this will probably actually be one of my faster ones, just because it's all done up already for us. And I think she also had on there A Million Little Things, and I definitely know I'll be using that one at some point. Okay. So this one will be quick and easy. I'm not going to be putting too much on here. And then if you guys want to see the finished, sometimes I add some more stickers and whatnot on here. If you want to see that completed, check out my Instagram, because that's where I put it. Let me just see where I want this here. I think I'll cut this down a little bit more. And you can, what I like about her stuff is you print it yourself, so you can put it and size it however you like when you're printing. So check out my Instagram and I'll show you the finished product. I'm going to leave this one open, and I don't know exactly what I'm going to put on here right now, but out of all of those, I think that was good, and then I can save these for another time. So if you guys like this, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. I know I didn't do too much, but again, you guys, it's already Tuesday, and I was busy traveling yesterday. So I've got a busy week. I know I need a lot of white space as well. So I hope you guys like it. I just wanted to touch base and say hello and let you see what I did. Alright, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!